In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get link for Funnel in Kartra. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the shareable link to your funnel map so you can send a clear interactive overview to teammates, clients, or stakeholders. First, sign into your Kartra account and land on the main dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, open the marketing section. This is where Kartra groups the tools that manage your assets, including your funnels. Inside marketing, go to funnels. You'll see a list of all the funnels in your workspace along with their statuses and other details. If you have a lot of assets, use the search bar at the top of the funnels page to quickly locate the exact funnel you need. Typing a few characters of the name usually narrows the list immediately, saving time and avoiding mistakes if you maintain multiple versions or drafts. Once you've found the correct funnel, look to the right of its name for the three-dot menu. That menu holds additional actions specific to that funnel. Click it, then choose Share. This opens the sharing options that Kartra provides for that asset. In the sharing panel, select Link to Funnel Map. This option generates a dedicated interactive link that opens the visual map of your funnel. It's designed for clarity. Viewers can see the steps, pages, and connections in a clean layout, making it great for reviews, planning, and approvals without giving access to your internal settings. Kartra will display the interactive link to the funnel. When it appears, copy it using the copy icon or by highlighting the URL. This is the link you'll send in your email, chat, or project docs so others can view the structure of the funnel. Keep it handy in your notes or task manager for future reference. That's all there is to it. Navigate to marketing, open funnels, use the three-dot menu, choose share, and grab the link to funnel map. With this link in hand, you can confidently share the exact funnel layout and keep everyone aligned.